Alrighty, good day and welcome. My name is Mr. JB and today we are going to be going through another Photopea tutorial. Photopea just being our free online Photoshop. Now, creating a duotone procedure is pretty quick, pretty straightforward, but we are just going to get rolling and we're going to get started with that. So to begin, as always, we create a duplicate of our layer. So just Control J and I'm going to shut off my original layer and lock it out. Now with that, I'm going to go to my layer 1 and I'm going to select channels. This is going to allow us to see the different highlights and different colors, and this is going to be different depending on whatever image you're using. Now I'm going to shut off my RGB and I'm just going to select on each one of these, and you kind of want to choose the one that's got the more highlightish colors. Now when I'm going through, green and blue are pretty dark, so I'm going to select red. Now with the red one selected, you're going to press and hold Control, and then you're going to select on the little icon. So basically the little box here with our image of John Wick. You're going to turn your layer on, and then you're going to go back into your layers. Now with that, you're going to create a new adjustment layer. You're going to go all the way up to color fill, and this is going to be our highlight layer. So this is going to be the thing that is our brighter of the two colors. So with that, we are going to choose a bright color. Now I'm just going to do a bright yellow. It's a good idea to think about complementary colors when you're doing this, but if you don't know what those are, there's tons of things that can help you find two different colors that'll be complementary. You'll end up with an amazing result when you are done, depending on the two colors that you use. Now with this selected, we are going to go back to our layer 1. We're going to go to channels, and we are just going to press and hold Control and select our red again. Now we're not choosing the red stuff. We are actually going to be choosing everything other than the red. So we're going to press and hold Shift, Control, and I, which is going to invert our selection, meaning we're basically grabbing everything other than what we had selected before. And then we're going to go back to our layers, click New Adjustment Layer, all the way up to color fill, and we are going to select a color that is darker. So for me, I'm going to choose a dark navy blue, and I'm going to select OK. Now with that is really a duotone. I've now got a yellow and a blue, and those are the only two true colors that I have. Now let's say I chose these colors and I didn't really want them. You don't have to redo the procedure. You don't have to do anything funky. You can just double click on those colors and you can find a new color that does work. You can find a red, you can find a whatever complementary colors you want, or whatever two colors that you want to end up having. Now, as always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and I hope that you learned something. Have a wonderful day, take care, and be safe.